Hey yo, what's up guys? Today I'm to show you how to get free tokens in your Blooket account. Just follow this video step by step to receive this reward. As you can see now in my Blooket account I have 10 tokens. As you can see, this is my username. To collect this reward you need just your username. As you can see, Albert is my username. Now I open a new tab and here I search www.GoTokenPro. Remember this website, GoTokenPro. I press enter. As you can see, this is the website. Token events offer 3000 token. Here you need to enter your Blooket username, Albert. I enter my username and I press this button, generate. Generating is running. Don't close or refresh the page. Now I wait to loading. As you can see, this is the website. I present you. This is people comments. As you can see, very much positive comments. You can add the comments on this button, but I don't add the comments now. How doesn't this event work? For complete on of partner survey, gonna on time 3000 coins. Remember, this generator is safe to use. You have problem with ban. We never ask you to enter your account password. You don't have to download any extension tools. This is people vote. It work for you, yes or no. As you can see, this person voting yes, this person voting no. Please like this video guys and subscribe and share this video with your friends for more tutorials. If you need help, leave a comment and I'll be help you with every question. As you can see, we're sending resources. It's almost down. Is success. Albert is connected, resource is ready, transfer to user. Now I want to transfer my tokens. It's almost done. You don't like a robot. This is a simple human verification. Just verify now, press this button. As you can see, human verification request, verify survey. I press this button. Complete the request below and block a token limit and send it in your account. Good. You need to complete one of this survey. You need to follow this instruction. I select first survey. As you can see, follow the instruction. Send a CMC to this number. Now I put the video on pause because I can send a CMC and record at the same time. But I'll be back guys at 2 minutes. Good guys, I send a CMC. Now you need to check. Enter here on this tab. And as you can see, this is finished. It's done. Now you can close all tabs. And as you can see in my Blooket page, I received this notification. Congratulations, you won 3000 tokens. I press this button, climb. And now in my Blooket account, I have 3000 tokens and 10 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my username. Now it's for free. As you can see, I buy a package. Yes. As you can see, it's work. Just follow this video step by step. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video.